Introducing the all-new Skoda Elroq, Skoda's first fully electric compact SUV, blending bold design, cutting-edge technology, and remarkable efficiency. The Elroq marks the debut of Skoda's new modern solid design language, featuring a glossy black tech deck face and clean, sharp lines. The minimalist approach redefines traditional Skoda elements, with the new Skoda lettering on both the bonnet and steering wheel. Its aerodynamic body, with a drag coefficient of just 0.26, enhances efficiency, allowing for a top speed of 180 km per hour. Under the hood, the Elroq offers a range of powertrain options, with battery capacities of up to 82 kWh. The top-tier Elroq 85 delivers over 560 km of range on a single charge. Charging is quick and easy. At a 175 kW DC fast charger, the battery can go from 10% to 80% in just 28 minutes, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. Step inside the spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin of the Elroq. A 13-inch infotainment display, intuitive user interface, and physical button bar come standard, offering seamless control of vehicle functions. Sustainability takes center stage with innovative materials, such as the Titan fabric, crafted from 78% recycled PET bottles. With the largest boot in its class at 470 liters, expandable to 1,580 liters, it's ideal for all your adventures. Safety and convenience are integral to the Elroq's design. Standard features include advanced driver assistance systems like Crew Protect Assist and Side Assist, as well as a rear-view camera. With up to 9 airbags and cutting-edge connectivity, you'll enjoy both peace of mind and comfort on every journey. For early adopters, Skoda introduces the limited first edition, featuring a signature light band and exclusive Timiano green color. The Elroq starts at an accessible price of around €33,000, making it one of the most affordable electric SUVs on the market. The all-new Skoda Elroq, redefining electric mobility with style, functionality, and sustainability. Available for pre-order starting October 2nd. Discover more at your local Skoda dealer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest cars.